A messy garden edge can make even the most beautiful yard look completely neglected. But clean, well-defined borders, they make your entire outdoor space look like a professional landscaper just finished working on it. The difference between a garden that turns heads and one that gets ignored often comes down to one simple thing: edging. And the good news is, Sam is here on Seniors Gardening Advice to walk through 12 brilliant garden edging ideas that work for every budget, every style, and every age of gardener. Whether your bed is full of roses, herbs, or native wildflowers, the right border makes everything look intentional, polished, and alive. If this channel has ever helped your garden grow better, please tap that subscribe button right now. It keeps this community strong. Share this video with a fellow gardening friend. Drop a comment below telling Sam which edging idea catches your eye, and give this video a like so more gardeners can find it. Now, let's get into the ideas. Why edging actually matters. Before diving into the ideas, it is worth understanding why edging is more than just decoration. A well-placed edge does several important jobs at once. It stops grass from creeping into your flower beds, which saves time weeding. It keeps mulch, loose soil, and gravel from washing onto your paths during rain. It creates a physical barrier against certain garden pests and reduces the need for chemical treatments. And according to landscaping experts, a tidy garden border can actually increase your home's curb appeal and property value. Think of edging as the frame around a painting. Without it, even the most beautiful flowers look unfinished. Idea number 1: classic brick borders. Brick is one of the most trusted edging materials for a reason. It offers warm earth tones, it works with formal and informal garden styles alike, and it is durable enough to last decades with minimal upkeep. Lay bricks horizontally for a subtle, low-profile edge, or stand them vertically for a stronger, more dramatic border. For something a little more creative, try placing bricks at an angle to form a herringbone-style pattern along flower beds. Reclaimed bricks from salvage yards add a weathered, old-world charm that brand-new bricks simply cannot match. Always use a rubber mallet and a level during installation to keep lines perfectly straight. Idea number 2: the natural spade edge. The most budget-friendly edging of all costs nothing but a little time and effort. Using a flat spade or a half-moon edger, simply cut a clean trench line between your lawn and your garden bed. The contrast between dark, rich soil and bright green grass creates a naturally elegant boundary. To keep lines sharp and straight, lay a wooden plank along the bed as your cutting guide before pressing down with the spade. This method does require touching up a few times each season, but many experienced gardeners find it deeply satisfying work. It's pure, honest, and completely free.
Idea number 3: cobble pavers and stone paths. Cobble pavers bring a timeless village square charm to any garden. They work beautifully when used to line stone paths or to divide different planting areas across a larger yard. Granite cobbles, in particular, create a high-end border edge that is described by landscape architects as timeless, and they add a few inches of vertical reveal, especially useful for containing loose materials like bark or pea gravel that tend to drift. As plants fill in over the season, the cobblestones hold their ground, providing a neat, defined structure even when the blooms spill forward generously. These work well around raised steps and multi-level garden designs. Idea number 4: living hedge borders. For gardeners who love greenery as much as flowers, compact hedges make an extraordinary living edge. Low-growing hedge varieties like boxwood, dwarf barberry, or Korean spice viburnum can be trimmed into neat knee-high borders that define flower beds with a lush, permanent structure. Unlike hard materials, a hedge border evolves with the seasons. It changes color, produces texture, and attracts beneficial insects. The key to success with hedge edging is consistent trimming to keep the shape tight and the line clean. Pair a hedge border with a central feature like a bird bath or fountain to give your garden a formal, symmetrical look. Idea number 5: mix metal and stone together. Some of the most striking garden edging comes from combining two different materials in one space. A low steel edge at the back of a raised herb bed keeps the planting elevated and accessible, while stone blocks along the path prevent loose soil from drifting onto the walkway. Metal edging is valued for its flexibility, allowing it to be bent into curves and shapes that rigid stone cannot match. Add a strip of loose gravel between the two materials for improved drainage and a visually layered effect. This mixed approach is especially practical in kitchen gardens, where both form and function matter equally. If you are finding these ideas useful, share this video with someone in your gardening group. It truly helps the channel grow. And subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice so Sam can keep bringing fresh, practical content every week.
Idea number 6. Bold boulder edging. Not all edging needs to be subtle. Large boulders placed along the edge of a lawn or planting bed make a dramatic, confident statement. They create a strong visual line between manicured grass and taller, wilder plantings like ornamental grasses or towering perennials. Boulders also serve a structural purpose. They're heavy enough to hold their position through rain, wind, and foot traffic without any digging or anchoring required. Choose stones that match or complement the natural colors already present in your landscape for a cohesive, grounded look. Idea number 7. Wood planks with gravel. Thin timber planks make a clean, modern border that separates soft plantings from gravel walkways with real elegance. Cedar and redwood are excellent wood choices because they resist rot and pest damage naturally without chemical treatment. Horizontal planks give a contemporary, low-profile feel, while vertical timber stakes create a more rustic, cottage-style effect. Pressure-treated pine is also a budget-friendly option that remains durable across seasons. When paired with a gravel path, the wood provides organic warmth against the cool texture of stone, a combination that works beautifully in almost any garden setting. Idea number 8. Decorative containers as borders. In multi-level or terraced gardens, decorative containers can double as both planters and edging. Corrugated metal planters arranged in a line create a stylish industrial border while also growing herbs, trailing flowers, or even strawberries. Stacked timber frames serve as raised bed walls and steps simultaneously, making every level of the garden accessible and visually connected. This approach is particularly useful for seniors who prefer container gardening, as the raised height reduces the need to bend or kneel during planting and harvesting.
Idea number 9. Asymmetrical stepping stone edges. Edging does not have to follow a perfectly straight line to look refined. Asymmetrical stones placed on their sides along a garden path create a relaxed but intentional boundary that feels artistic rather than rigid. Irregular flagstone shapes work especially well in cottage gardens or naturalistic landscapes where a perfectly manicured look would feel out of place. The trick is to choose stones with similar thickness and color family so that even with varied placement, the overall effect reads as deliberate and composed. Idea number 10. Formal double brick rows. For gardeners who want a more architectural, structured feel, laying 2 rows of brick, one horizontal and one vertical, creates a bold, formal edge that commands attention. This double row technique adds height and definition to large planting beds, making it ideal for expansive perennial borders filled with peonies, lavender, or ornamental grasses. The upright row acts as a small retaining wall, while the horizontal row provides a flat, stable top surface that is easy to mow alongside. This technique suits Georgian or Victorian-style homes particularly well. Idea number 11. Sturdy stone in high traffic areas. In areas of the garden that see a lot of foot traffic near dining spaces, play areas, or sports lawns, stone edging is the most practical and lasting choice. It does not crack under pressure, it does not warp in heat, and it requires almost no maintenance over time. Stone edging is an attractive and versatile way to add dimension and texture to a landscape, and it can be used to create a neat border around flower beds, define a walkway, or even create a raised garden bed area. Sandstone, limestone, and slate each bring unique coloring and surface texture to the edge, so there is real variety even within this one material category.
Idea number 12, subtle steel edging. Low-profile steel edging is one of the cleanest, most modern options available for defining garden beds with precision. A thin steel strip, installed flush with the soil surface, creates a barely there boundary that lets the plants speak for themselves while keeping loose stones, mulch, and soil perfectly contained. Corten steel is particularly valued for its ability to develop a unique patina over time, shifting from a bright metallic tone to a warm, rusty brown that blends naturally with soil and foliage. Aluminum is a lighter, more budget-friendly alternative that bends easily around curves and is completely rust-resistant. Beyond the classic 12, there are a few additional edging ideas worth keeping in mind. Bamboo edging is an excellent sustainable option for Zen-inspired or tropical gardens. It is sold in short fence sections, hammered easily into the ground, and blends beautifully with lush, leafy plantings. Terracotta edging pieces, often found in antique and salvage shops, bring a gorgeous Victorian or Mediterranean character to garden beds. And being porous, they actually allow water and air to pass through at soil level, supporting healthy root growth. Recycled glass bottles buried neck down in a row create a surprisingly charming and colorful border, especially in creative, unconventional garden spaces. Even simple river rocks arranged carefully along a bed can improve drainage while adding natural, tactile beauty at no cost. Quick installation tips before Sam signs off. Whichever edging idea calls to the gardener in the viewer, a few basic principles apply across all materials. Always dig a shallow trench first, usually 3 to 6 inches deep, so edging sits firmly and does not shift over time. Pack soil tightly around the base and use anchor stakes where the material requires it. For curved sections, flexible materials like aluminum, rubber, or corten steel are far easier to work with than rigid stone or brick. Clean edging periodically to remove soil and debris buildup, and check for movement after heavy rain. Good installation done once means years of low-maintenance beauty ahead. Gardening should be joyful, and a well-edged garden makes every session in the yard feel more rewarding. Whether the choice is the timeless warmth of classic brick, the drama of boulder edging, the elegance of corten steel, or the living softness of a trimmed hedge, there is a perfect edging solution for every garden and every gardener. The most important step is simply choosing one and getting started. Drop a comment below telling Sam which of these 12 ideas fits the garden. It genuinely makes a difference to hear from the community. Like this video if it was helpful, share it with a fellow gardening enthusiast, and make sure to subscribe to Senior's Gardening Advice so none of Sam's future garden tips are missed. The garden is waiting, and now it is time to give it the beautiful, defined edges it deserves.